Hey! Today we've got a great question from Renee, and I appreciate the detailed rundown.
This helps a ton. Let me break everything down so we can move with clarity and momentum. Texas property minor repairs. Everything Renee listed: stove knob, cabinet door, lockbox adjustment, closet light, and caulking falls under quick and easy repairs. No delays here. My input: this is standard prep work for STR readiness. We've launched plenty of units with this exact checklist. Yes to minor paint touch-ups, recaulking, and bulb replacement. Yes to repairing cabinet, stove handle, let's get it done, then move forward. Staging order of operations. Here's the exact order I recommend. Step 1, complete repairs. Step 2, deep clean the property. Step 3, schedule pro photography after deep clean. Listings with professional photos post-cleaning almost always outperform quick or dirty uploads. Photo strategy. Airbnb free photographer pros. No cost, decent baseline, quick in some areas. Cons: you don't own the photos, can't use on Furnished Finder or direct sites. Professional photographer, $150, $300. Pros: full ownership, can reuse anywhere. Better angles, lighting. Cons: one-time upfront investment. If we're playing the long game, I recommend the professional route, but both paths can work depending on budget and platform goals. Group poll: what's your move? If you were launching this unit, how would you handle the photos? A, use Airbnb's free photo service, quick and easy. B, invest in a professional shoot, better quality plus ownership. C, start with Airbnb's free pics and upgrade later. Drop your vote below. Let's learn from each other. And if you've used both, what's been your experience?